Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing my channel, welcome. I'm Jess and I hope you stay and I hope you keep watching this video. If you've been watching my videos for a long time now, thanks so much. Or even if you've watched my video like twice or once or anything, thanks so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a basics video. I'll be showing you how to do your eyebrows. I'll be showing you how I do my eyebrows in 2018 because I have a video from years ago. You can click on that video to watch it, but this is the updated version of how I do my eyebrows. Hope you enjoy watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. So to start off with your brows, you need a brow brush or a mascara brush, an old one. You can take it, you can wash it and use your mascara brush, or you can go and buy an actual, like a new one. Not an actual one, you can go out and buy a new one. So I'll be starting off by brushing the hairs of my brows upwards like that. This is for beginners, so I'm going to use a pencil which will be easier for you to follow. For today's tutorial, I'll be using the Evita Joseph brow liner. It's my brow liners. They are brow pencils and it comes from 1 to 4 for the shades, from fair to dark. Number 1 is the lightest and number 4 is the darkest, and this is number 2. I'll be using the number 2. It's called Perfect Chocolate. You can use this or you can opt for any normal brown pencil on the market. You can go to the market and just buy a brown pencil. I'm going to take the pencil and then I would create strokes, hair-like strokes with the pencil. And I'm starting off from the very beginning of my eyebrows. I'm drawing a line. I'm just following the line of my natural eyebrow shape. And I'm using a really light hand. Just like that. So after I'm done with the line beneath my brows, I start from the middle of my brows and then just flick it, basically, like that. Those are hair-like strokes. So you just flick it. And fill in any sparse area. So for the top of my brows, I'm not drawing any line as of now. I'm only filling in the brow hairs. And when it comes to the front of the brows, I just do straight strokes from bottom up, just to fill in any area that there isn't hair. So with a light hand, I'm just doing that. I'm going to brush the pencil from bottom up so it distributes in my brows, if you understand what I mean. Yeah, so that the pencil softens and is not as harsh as well. And then when you want to draw the top of the brows, you don't have to start from the very beginning of your eyebrows. You can start from somewhere here, so leave a gap and then start from here and draw a straight line. And then when you get here, you stop, because your eyebrows naturally bends downwards, so you don't want to draw a line going up or going straight or anything. Just follow your own eyebrow shape and then draw it, unless you don't have brows and you want to create your own. That's a different thing. So just draw a straight line and then down here you just drag it down like that. So now you see the eyebrows are more defined than before. And I'm going to do the same thing for this side. So I'm just putting the pencil down and then flicking it. Basically, that's what I'm doing, like just doing this. And when it comes to the front, I put the pencil down and I lift it up with a really light hand job. So if you want something very natural, you can leave your eyebrows like this and then go about your day. Or you can really define it by using a concealer or your foundation, depending on how intense you want your eyebrows to look. So I'm going to use a foundation. I'm going to use my foundation so you see how it looks. And I'm putting the brush right beneath the line that I drew. And just following the brows, basically. Like that. You see, it cleans it up, but then it looks extremely natural. and you can do the same thing for the top. With this one, you have to start right in front so that you can clearly see the defined brows, but you just follow it as well. You just drag it from top and then bring it down. So I'd advise you to use your foundation for the top, or even just leave the top. Don't even conceal the top, just focus on the bottom, just conceal it, and it will look nice. Yeah, so this is how the eyebrows look like when you clean it up with your foundation. Now I'm going to clean it up with a concealer, and I'm using a shade that is a step lighter. This is the NARS concealer in Amande. This is the soft matte concealer in Amande. That is my highlighting shade, and I'm using that to conceal beneath my eyebrows to make it stand out. So I'm going to take the same brush, go right beneath the line, and then just follow the shape. So basically that's it, and then you can use your hand or a brush to blend it out. I'm going to use my hand to just blend that out. I'm doing the same thing for this side. I'm starting from so once you are done cleaning the bottom of the brows like that, you can just use your finger to just clean the middle, and even take it into just a little bit of the front of the brows, just so it looks very natural. And then I'm going to brush the hairs again, just to put them in place. So that is it. That is how I do my eyebrows. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next basic video, which will be a highlighting video. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.